Easy morning this morning. Chickens were up all day yesterday because of the weather. We had about 100-mile-an-hour wind with rain around 7 this morning. It knocked all the power out. I almost took our coops out. I had to come out here in the rain and protect all of our freedom fighters from blowing away. While I was doing that, this ass bunch right there attacked me while my back was to him and I was working. That's just an update of what's going on. We got to move the coops today. These are all our mini-me's, just for looks. They don't produce much of nothing but happiness. These are the eggs we got today. This is just a small update to let y'all know we are right. Our hatcher and our incubator are without power, and so is our 3 brooders with all our babies in it. Please pray.